And on a separate matter, President Uhuru Kenyatta says his administration's greatest and foremost concern at the moment is to protect the country's population from the coronavirus. While acknowledging that the pandemic is a health crisis of a mammoth scale, Kenyatta decried that its negative impact on the economy. Speaking during a video conference organized by the Atlantic Council, the head of state said Kenya, just like many other African nations, urgently needs international support so as to cope with the enormous economic demands unleashed by the coronavirus pandemic.
Because of the manner in which especially it is affecting our older populations. So we are focused ourselves first and foremost on dealing with the health crisis. But exactly as you've said, this is also an economic crisis. It's an economic crisis because it has resulted in some key sectors of our economy being hugely affected by lockdowns. We were forced, for example, to close our airspace down. This affected our tourism sector. You know very well, having lived in Kenya, that tourism is a very critical part of our economy. It also affected, to a certain degree, our horticultural sector, which again, as you know, horticulture and floriculture is also critical to our economy. So we're dealing with both a health problem on the one hand and trying to balance that with ensuring that we are also able to keep our economy afloat. So we are focused especially on ensuring that we have various stimulus programs that we are pushing through. We are focusing on the health, like I said, working with our county governments in terms of ensuring readiness, preparedness, in terms of isolation beds, in terms of ventilators, in terms of getting information out as to the need for masks, social distancing, and so on and so forth, while at the same time trying to balance that with keeping critical sectors of our economy up and running.